Today we are going to be putting the Akinator to one of the ultimate tests. Can it guess Hiccup from How to Train Your Dragon in less than 15 questions? Let's see if it can, or will it get stumped? Alright, is your character a girl? No. Does your character really exist? No. Does your character have a human head? Yes. Does your character have powers? No. Is your character from a TV series? I'm gonna say yes. Is your character animated? Yes. Is he older than 18? I'm gonna say probably. Alright. Is your character from a Japanese anime? No. Is your character from a kids show? Yes. Does your character often wear a hat? No. Is your character black haired? I'll just say no. Is your character friends with player 100? 100? I'm sorry. What is that? Who is that? I need to look that up. Sitting close to 15 questions. Does your character have brown hair? Yes, it does. Does your character have a dog? No. Was your character born into royalty? I'm going to say no. Okay, that's 15 questions, Idol. Oh man. Hey. I guess it couldn't answer, but anyways, we're just going to continue. I wonder how long it can go. 16. Is your character linked with Vikings? Yes. Does your character have a damaged leg? Yes. Does your character train dragons? Yes. I think I've Hiccup horrendous Haddock third. How to Train Your Dragon. That's a perfect image right there. Oh man, it only took like 19 questions, but I'm gonna say we both won, because I actually didn't know what I was looking for after the 15 question. Ah, man. Okay, there you go. I'll see you guys later, and please subscribe because we got some interesting content coming very, very quickly.